Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily. I am a second year third grade teacher in Southwest Louisiana. So today I am heading to my classroom. It is Tuesday, May 5th, I think. You lose track of days in quarantine. But I'm heading to my classroom. We're finally allowed to get in there and close out our classrooms, pack everything up. Unfortunately, we are not returning to school this year like most people, but we had to sign up for days to go into our classrooms to pack up and put everything away and do all that fun paperwork that you're required to do at the end of the year. So I'm gonna grab an iced coffee and head over there. Hey guys, so I'm in my classroom and it is 2:30. I've been here since 10. Sorry I haven't picked you up, but I've just been trying to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. So I think I mentioned before that third grade is moving into a new pod next year. So currently we have our own pod. There's 4 third grade teachers and we're in here by ourselves. So next year we are moving into a pod with 4th grade and we have our own bathroom and water fountain. So I'm gonna turn you around and kind of show you, maybe through my window. You can see it through my window, the pod. So right next to my classroom is the pod. It has 8 classrooms in it. And like I said, a bathroom, water fountain, and we are moving in there next year. So we have to pack everything up and get ready to move in there. It's not gonna be ready till the beginning of the year next year, so we can't actually move anything in there right now, but we have to act like we are about to move into it. So principal said, pack up everything except for your desks and your chairs. So that's exciting. So I'm gonna turn you around and show you what I've done. Okay, so gonna start at the door. Obviously not much to do with the door, but if we go this way, bulletin board's taken down, all of this is done. That's taken down. My letters that were up here are down. My curtains down. I started moving stuff over here and stacking chairs. My bookcase, most of the things are gone. Some dictionaries and something. Haven't done anything with this. My mailboxes are gone. I started cleaning out this cabinet, and obviously it's not cleaned out, as you can see, but I started putting things back in it. So it was a hodgepodge of a mess, and now it has a little bit more order to it, even though it doesn't really look like it. There's a bunch of books, ton of stuff here. I have more storage over here that I'm trying to fill up. It's just everywhere. Packing my desk up, took everything down, took my calendar down. Oh, I forgot I need to take these down. But this is it. So that's pretty much all I've done today. It is just me going and packing things up and trying to find boxes that I can use to pack everything up. But I will be back in my classroom Thursday to finish packing up. I probably won't be finished, but I'll get the majority of it done. And I will add that to this vlog of the Thursday pack up. But I think that's all I'm gonna do for today, so I'll see you Thursday. Good morning, everyone. It is May 7th, sorry, quarantine brain. You don't know what day it is. It is Thursday. I am on my way to my classroom to continue the pack up, close out process. It's a nice chilly day here in Louisiana. Not very usual. It's May in Louisiana, so it should be like 90 degrees. It's currently like 65 degrees. I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm on my way to school now. Finish packing up, finish closing out everything. I got some paperwork to do, but I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Okay, so I'm in my classroom. It's 10:40. I got here at 10, but you know, I gotta talk to my friends. So been talking, been doing a little bit, but I wanted to show you what is on my checklist to hopefully get done today. If not, that's okay. So let me show you. Okay, so this is my to-do list. I am in the process of packing up desks. I need to defrost my fridge, clean my boards, pack up curriculum, put together my tech tote, clean out my filing cabinet, move all my furniture to one side of the room. And then I'm gonna take home my rolling cart and my stool because I'm gonna paint my stool over the summer. So that is what I plan on getting done today, or at least some of it done today. So I'm gonna put you down and I'm gonna get to work. Okay, hey guys. I just finished lunch and I got to see our new pod. I went in and they have the walls painted. They are getting our whiteboards up right now. Unfortunately, they don't have the like floor tile down. It's just concrete, and the ceiling tiles aren't in, and neither is like our cabinets and stuff. You can see that. Our cabinets and stuff aren't in yet, but they're coming along really fast. Like, I really think we'll be able to be in by June. And like originally we thought we weren't going to be in till like the last couple weeks of July, or the last week of July. So I'm pretty excited about that. I am going to start packing up all my curriculum. It's right behind me in these little cubby holes. So I'm going to do that. And I don't know if I'm going to do much more, honestly. I didn't get a ton done today, but really, like, the main part is just moving all this stuff to my new room. Like, I'm not gonna pack up all my books, my curriculum books, because I can just put those on a cart and roll them over there. It's literally next door to the pod that I'm in now. And everything else is just tiny stuff. And I gotta pack up my tech stuff, but I'm gonna leave that till like the last minute, in case I need to get on any of the computers to get information off of them. Sorry, I'm looking at my to-do list. I'm not gonna move the furniture till the last minute. I don't think I'm gonna clean out my filing cabinet because I'm just gonna put it on a dolly and roll it over there. And same with defrosting my fridge. I'm gonna do that like the last week that we're here. So I'm gonna pack up my curriculum and I'll probably head home after this. I'll let you know, but I'm gonna put you down and start packing that up. Okay, so I've packed up my curriculum. I've kind of cleaned out some of the papers that I didn't need anymore. And I think I'm going to head out, honestly. I'm gonna show you a little bit of my room. Don't judge me. It doesn't look that much different than what I showed you last time. Okay, so this is my shelving unit. This is all cleared out. This is some materials I have to put up. I'm storing stuff here, so that's not gonna be cleared out probably ever until I move. So all that stays there. I took some boxes down from up here to use. They're currently in the middle of the floor. My tech tote is over there. The one thing that did happen is I got all of my students' stuff packed up and in the hallway ready to go. Unfortunately, I got these desktops back that I do not want because they take up so much room. We have iPads and laptops, and those are so much easier to store and use, but I was letting another teacher use them, and they have to come back to my room because they are under my room number. So I have to find a place to store those. Everything pretty much looks the same over here. And that's about it. So I'm going to head out. I think that's it for this vlog. This is definitely going to be day 1 and day 2. I'm sure I'll have more days working in here. But I hope you liked this vlog, this pack up vlog. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys next time.